Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. It's earnings season, and the corporate entities are reporting financial results that speak to overcoming a challenging economy. First up, Honeybun Limited unaudited financials for the first quarter ended December 31, 2024, reports first quarter net profit of $76.92 million. Next, Separate Limited unaudited financials for the 12 months ending December 31, 2024, reports year-end net profit of $4.14 billion. Then, Future Energy Source Company Limited, FESCO, unaudited financials for the 9 months ending December 31, 2024, reports a 24% growth in net profit for the 9 months ending December 31, 2024. And Salada Foods Jamaica Limited unaudited financials for the first quarter ending December 31, 2024, reports first quarter net profit of $50.40 million. For the trading period ending February 18, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited 8% preference shares with 80,012,413 units traded, representing 75.69% of market sales volume. Logistics and Shipping Company Mail Pack Group Limited with 4,309,861 units traded, representing 4.08% of market sales volume. Advertising agency and real estate holding company Kentire Holdings Jamaica Limited with 3,746,107 units traded, representing 3.54% of the market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rates set by the Bank of Jamaica. On February 18, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $55.95 million purchased and US $60.63 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.13 per dollar, selling the US at $158.31 and buying the US at $157.18. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.07 per transaction, with selling at $111.89 and buying at $110.82. The British pound yielded Forex traders $2.74 in profits, with selling at $196.92 and buying at $194.18. For our credit report tip of the day, investing effort into your credit health is one of the smartest moves you can make. It's not just about numbers, it's about opening doors to opportunities that build wealth and secure your future. Let's look at how we can make positive changes. First, think about enhanced negotiating power. A high credit score helps you present a stronger financial profile when negotiating terms. Or consider the opportunity of access to premium credit cards that you can benefit from with rewards, cashback, and lower fees. Another benefit is possibly insurance discounts. Some insurers may offer lower premiums to clients with strong credit histories. Now, when rebuilding from nothing to financial resilience and recovery, think about it. When juggling work, family, and the pressures of daily life, burnout can strike. This means that even our best intentions can lead to decisions that strain our cash flow and shake our confidence, particularly for professional women over the age of 45. So consider pairing common challenges with strategies designed to help you regain control. So if your challenge is emotional overspending in stress moments, then your strategy is to embrace mindful spending practices. Every purchase is a choice. choose what truly aligns with your values? Or how about the challenge of lack of structured budgeting? And this causes a lot of connected challenges. Then your strategy is to use budgeting apps and tools to keep your spending in check. Here's the big one: poor credit scores. Well, here we say monitor and improve your credit score as a foundation for growth. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step towards your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.